Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial today, I will be teaching you how to copy color from external sources into CorelDraw environment. For instance, if I'm having another object like this and I have to copy this color, all I have to do is just to come to my color eyedropper tool, click on it, then click on this color and click on this object. So you can see that color is copied. But what if I want to copy my color from an external source? And that is exactly what you are going to be learning today. Now, if I click on my eyedropper tool again and close this window, you can see that eyedropper tool has been deactivated. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, this is ID Tech. From this video that you are watching right now, just click on the channel title. It will land you on this home page of my channel if you want to see other tutorials that I've created. And I've also grouped my tutorials into playlists. So when you click on playlist, you can see other tutorials that I've created here on CorelDraw, on PowerPoint, on Microsoft Word, and so on. Okay, so without wasting your time at all, let us go into the business of the day. Now, you can see in the CorelDraw environment, the color eyedropper tool is active, but immediately you move out of the environment, the color eyedropper is no more active. So if you want to copy color from an external source, what you have to do first is to divide your screen into two. To divide your screen into two, you need to hold your window key and your right arrow key on your keyboard. Your window key and your right arrow key. You can see that the CorelDraw environment is now taking the half of the screen. Now we need our browser to take the second part of the screen. So I'm clicking on this browser. So I'm going to go on this browser right here because I just want to copy my color from an external source. Now let me do something here. Let me minimize this browser first. You can see my desktop right here. Let's assume that I want to pick a color from my desktop. So what I have to do is to come to my CorelDraw, click on the color eyedropper tool. You can see it right here. Then at the top right here, you can see the properties of this tool. So you will see select from desktop. So when you click on select from desktop, then when you are outside the CorelDraw environment, you can see that the color eyedropper tool is already picking the color from my desktop. So you can pick the color from anywhere on your desktop. So if I click this blue color, for instance, and come to my CorelDraw environment and click on the object, you can see that color has been copied. Now we clicked on select from desktop does not mean you can copy only from your desktop. Okay, so now if I open this browser right here and I come to click on color eyedropper tool again and click on select from desktop, you can see the color eyedropper tool is picking the color from outside the CorelDraw. Okay, so if I click on it and click on the object, you can see the color is copied. Now, what if I want to work on gradient color? What I mean by gradient color is mixing two colors together on an object. Okay, like this. So I need to come to the interactive fill tool and click on the object and drag. So we are now having two colors on this object. Okay, so now if I want to change this color, you can see this node here, this rectangle small box here and this small box here. So if I click on this, I can click on any color, it will change. If I click on this square also, then I can also click on any color. Okay, but what if I want to copy my color from outside the CorelDraw? Now let's go online and type beautiful gradient color combination. So you can see it right here. Then I'm going to click on this free pick. Okay, so we have gradient combination of color here. Okay, so you can see from deep blue to light blue, from deep red to light red. Okay, so if I want to copy that, how do I copy that? Because it is not in the CorelDraw environment. So what I have to do again is just to go to my interactive fill tool, then click on the object and drag it. Now I'm having two colors here. Instead of me clicking on the colors in the CorelDraw environment, what I would do is to click on this first small square here. Then you can see this drop down right here. When you click on this drop down here, you can select your color. Okay, so you can see the colors here. Then you will see this eyedropper to click on it. Then you can move outside the CorelDraw environment and click any color of your choice. You can see when I click that red, this red comes to the CorelDraw environment and it is applied on this object. Now, if I click on this second small square here, you can see these color options will come up again. Then I can click on my color eyedropper 2 and choose any color of my choice that I want to choose. You can see, okay, so you can see the gradient color is achieved. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and I will see you in my next video.